How to turn on autofile payment forms on your Instagram account. Today guys, I will show you how to turn on this option. Just follow the video until the end. You go first and you open your Instagram. Then after your Instagram is opening, you go down and you open your profile. Then you go to this three line and click. Then go to settings and click again, and then guys to go to account and click, then go to browser settings and click, and go to autofile payment forms and turn on this option by going here at the right and click like this. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful and helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel enough, and see you next videos.